Now guys, pay attention here because I will give you a blueprint where you will be able to create hundreds of videos very fast. Imagine 2 minutes for one YouTube video, which is long form, not short, long form proper YouTube video. So how will you be able to do that? Well, with our tool here, Clipsby, which will help you to turn text into an animated video in minutes. So let's get started and I will give you the blueprint. So let's first take a look at this channel here, Guide Realm, 1 million subscribers and 10,000 videos. So first, when you see a channel with this size, you would think that these videos will have to make millions of views, right? Well, they're not. 200 views, 100 views. At first, this channel seems dead. 1 million subscribers and it barely makes any views. How's that even possible? Well, the strategy behind this channel is something very cool, which is YouTube evergreen search niche channels. When we go to Social Blade here and we search for this channel, Guide Realm, look at the views, guys. It's stacking up and it's amazing. The last months are insane. 20 million views. And when we see at the revenue here, monthly estimated earnings, $80,000 per month. This is insane. Now I will show you how you can create videos just like this, I mean search-based videos, and you will be able to create hundreds of videos very fast. 2 minutes per video, for example. Now first let's open YouTube here in Incognito tab, and I will give you one topic that will serve as an example just. Well, are worms good for the soil? This is a search term, which means that this video will not gain views with the browse homepage feature on YouTube, but rather only people who are looking for this topic will watch it. So YouTube corrected, why are worms good for the soil? So let's see what will happen. There we go. Why are worms good for the soil? We will create video about this topic. And if you want to search for more topics like this, I suggest to use the ABC method here on YouTube. So for example, how to and as you can see, search predictions with how to activate Windows 11 for free, how to activate, how to add money to PayPal, and now type how to be and you will see a search predictions with B, how to boil eggs, how to build a PC. Now the same, and for C, how to cook rice, how to cook steak, how to cut your own hair, and you get the point. But now we will stick with this example here, why are worms good for the soil? Let's begin creating the video. Go to our tool clipsby.com here and create an account for free to test it out. When you're in, create a new project and I will name it Why Are Worms Good for the Soil, and you have the option to select between a single presenter, one person is presenting the topic, and a multiple presenters, 2 people are presenting the topic like you're on a podcast. I will choose this format because it's more fun and engaging for YouTube. And create. Now when you're inside our tool here, you have the option to choose different characters, and if you want you can create your custom character with our custom character builder, or you have the option to import your own custom character with automatic lip sync and everything. We handle everything for you. But now for the sake to keep this video short and fast, I will select a pre-made character here, this George. This is for the one presenter, and now for the other presenter I will select here Aria. Again, save changes, it's super easy, super fast. Now let's change the background. I'll use this background podcast, flip the background, use again the same. Again, you can upload your own background if you want, but I will use this for this video. And now the magic, the very easy part. You just have to click 2 buttons. The first is go to idea to script here. Click it and you will type the simple prompt. Explain the topic. Why are worms good for the soil? Alright, you can change the maximum duration. Basically here you can make the video longer, but I will keep it to 1 minute just to serve as an example, and you can change the conversation style from educational, storytelling, debate and instructional. Let's keep it educational for this topic. Here you can click replace existing script and this will change the basic script that you're starting with for your project. Now generate script and let's watch the magic happens. Alright, our script here is ready. Let's see. Hey Aria, have you ever thought about why worms are good for the soil? Everything is great, but I will show you the video in a couple of minutes. Okay, if you want, you can select a part from the text like this and you can insert a custom photo or you can generate a photo with AI here. Just type your prompt and generate, but I will not do for this video. You can also, if you don't like some part of the text, for example here, can you explain? If you don't like this, you can mark it and you can delete it just like this, basically like you're editing a document in Google Docs, but let's keep it. Also, the principle is the same. If you want to add something, can you explain please? And just like that, everything is ready. All right, I will leave the script just like this because I told you that you can create video for 2 minutes, basically clicking 1 to 3 times and the video is ready. All right, now, if you want subtitles, go to project settings here and just click embed subtitles in video. And that's it. We've selected the characters, we've selected the background, the script was ready with just 1 click. And now the second click you need to click here is to start render. Click it and one box will pop up now that will tell us the video will start rendering. And now let's wait the video. And when the video is ready, I will show it to you guys. Alright, the video here is ready and now let's watch it.
Hey Arya, have you ever thought about why worms are good for the soil?
I know worms are important, but I'm not sure why exactly. Can you explain, please?
Absolutely. Worms play a crucial role in soil health. One of their main benefits is aeration. As they burrow, worms create tunnels that allow air and water to reach plant roots.
That makes sense. I guess plants need both to grow well, right?
Exactly. Plus, worms help with the decomposition process. They consume organic matter like dead leaves and convert it into nutrient-rich castings, which enrich the soil.
So, those castings are like natural fertilizer?
Yes, they are. Worm castings improve soil structure and add vital nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus. This boosts plant growth.
What about their impact on microorganisms in the soil?
Great point. Worms encourage microbial activity. They break down organic material, making nutrients more accessible to bacteria and fungi, which further enhances soil fertility.
Wow, worms really do a lot. Are there any specific conditions worms need?
They thrive in moist, well-drained soils rich in organic matter. Maintaining these conditions ensures they continue benefiting the ecosystem.
Thanks, George. I had no idea worms contributed so much to soil health.
My pleasure, Arya. It's fascinating how such small creatures have a big impact on our environment.
Alright, great. This video perfectly explains the topic why worms are good for the soil. Now, what to do if you want to create hundreds of videos very fast like this? Well, go to ChatGPT and ask it. Give me more examples for my YouTube channel in the search niche. Why are worms good for the soil? I need 10 more ideas similar to this one. Just ask it and it will give you more ideas. And as you can see, do worms really help plants grow? Are worms casting better than can worms fix poor soil? And you will gain more ideas. Now, give me more ideas for search topics different from worms. And for the topic of soil and gardening, why is my soil not draining? For the topic of ecosystem and sustainability, why are bees disappearing? See, this will give you more ideas. Now give me 10 ideas for the topic of the internet. Let's try it out. How does the internet actually work? Who controls the internet? The history of the internet? What happens when you click a link? Explain DNS. So you can ask it again, give me more ideas for tech topics like what is DNS? Let's see. What is an IP address? What is a VPN? And just like that, you will find hundreds of videos very fast using the help of ChatGPT. And again, Select one topic here, what is an IP address and why does it matter. Select this topic, go to Clips B, place into idea to script, and your video will be ready for 2 minutes. And just like that, you will be able to create hundreds of videos for your search channel to test ideas very fast. And the cool thing about this search method is that your channel will seem dead at first, but these videos will start to rank and they will start gaining views step by step for a long time, and you will produce income for a very long time. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and found it useful, and I suggest to go to clipsb.com and try it out for free to see how easy it is to create faceless videos for your YouTube channel. Alright, I will see you in the next video.